Hello, this is Jake and welcome to another Titanic unboxing on my channel. Before we jump into it, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more of my Titanic models, then definitely do, because I got some great videos coming up very soon on my Trumpeter Titanics and other Titanic related projects that I'm working on. So today I'm doing an unboxing of this Revell Titanic gift set. So with this set you get two models. You get the 1/700th Titanic and you get the 1/1200th Titanic. Also comes with your down here your paints, brush and glue. I saw this one quite a while back in Antiques and I didn't pick it up then, and then I think they sold it, so I thought, right, I'll buy this one now, do an unboxing of it. I don't actually plan to build this one. This is going to be part of a Titanic giveaway coming later this year, in April. So keep an eye out for that on the channel. There'll be more details on it as we get closer to April. But we're going to do an unboxing of this one today and see what we get inside. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look and see what we get inside. First of all, I really love this artwork on the front here. To actually sell a model like this, it all depends on what you see on the box art, and I think that's a really great picture with the iceberg in the back there. You can also see here both scales of the ships. So let's open it up. There we go. So, well, there's not that much in here, to be honest. So we have, first of all, let's get this one out of the way. Our glue, paint and brush. There you go. Very cool. Nice to get the glue as well, because obviously when you pick up a model you always look at getting the paints and glues. Well, you should anyway. We have some string here. I'll just wrap that back around now. So this is for your rigging and everything like that, and there's enough on there to do both models. Then we have, wow, so this is the 1/1200th Titanic. I've had a fair few of these over the years, it's hard to believe. But yeah, there you go. So there's that. It's all in there. You've got your stand, your funnels, lifeboats, decks, stand pieces there. There's not really much to this model, but I have seen them done up and they do look very nice. Definitely one I'll have to get done at some point in my time of building Titanic models. Not this one, because like I said, this one's going to be a Titanic giveaway, a part of a giveaway. And then we got the decals for that one there as well. There you go. Mainly for the stand and lining on the side. So that's quite nice. So this is the 1/700th. Now let's just move that one to the side. We got our manuals here. So this is for, doesn't actually say on the front. Oh, this is for your 1/1200th model Titanic. So there you go. Very simple set. And then we got the bigger manual here. It would be bigger because, you know, it's a bigger model. And then you got decals in here as well. There we go. Same decals again, just a little bit bigger. I will tidy this up in a minute, put it away properly. But there you go. You can see this one's a much bigger model and everything. But there you go. It looks like there's some nice detail to that model as well. Then on the back you've got your paints and where the rigging all goes and everything like that, which is pretty cool. Rigging and all that stuff always scares me, and yet to complete a model with it. Then here we go. So this gives you an idea of the size of the ship. Right, let's open this one up. Let's have a look. There we go. So we have our deck pieces here, as you can see. Some nice details molded in already, like the benches and that. Be pretty fun to paint them, even though they are very small. And then we got more pieces here for the superstructure, the stand as well. A lot of superstructure parts in there, including some bulkheads to keep the model from flexing inside. Then we have our side pieces, so the actual ship itself. Like I said, I would prefer if these were one whole piece, a hull already, like a one whole mode. But you know, that's something that's quite common with models like this. Still quite nice. And then we have this one here, which is, we got a rudder. That's a very nice molded piece right there. Funnels, props, loads of other little bits of detail, cranes and that, lifeboats with the davits, ladders, all of that. So that's pretty cool. Put that one back in there. There we go. I will wrap this back up properly and tape it all back up as soon as the video is over. And then there again, there's the 1/1200th. I'm not going to open this one up. I don't feel there's any need to. You can see details. I will do an unboxing of one of these for a project I'm going to be working on later this year. So there'll be another unboxing of this model. But there you go. It's all there. It's nice to see the hull, one old piece here. You can also get this Titanic. Well, you get loads of different Titanic modules. You can get Trumpeter, obviously, do the 1/200th. Academy's doing a 1/700th or 1/400th. So there's quite a few different ones out there. Airfits do quite a few as well. There we go. I will tape this back up. But there we go. So that is the Revell Titanic unboxing. So there we go. That is this Revell gift pack, gift set. So you get the 1/700th and the 1/1200th Titanic. So this set numbers 05727. It's nice to get the paints with it and everything. I'm more of a, I prefer to use spray cans if I can. But I have done hand painting on the Trumpeter Titanic and the one that's sinking. There we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And for more details on how to get your hands on this kit in the giveaway coming in April, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. And at the moment I'm doing a Star Wars giveaway as well, so please do check that out on the channel. That finishes on January the 10th, so please do check that out. But thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll have more Titanic content coming very soon and an update on both Trumpeter Titanics. Bye for now.